In this video, we are going to talk about the angle addition postulate. So here's what that postulate says. It says the sum of two adjacent angles is equal to the measure of the larger angle they form. So if we check out this drawing over here, we can get an illustration of the angle addition postulate. So if we see angle A, B, C right here, what this says is the measure of angle A, B, C plus the measure of C, B, D. So the measure of angle C, B, D. If we add those two measures together, it must be equal to the measure of the larger angle A, B, D. And that should make sense if we look at our diagram. So if we see the measure of angle ABC, so this angle right here, if we add that with the measure of angle CBD, which is this angle right here, we should get the measure of angle ABD, which is this larger angle right here. So that should make sense. If we add these two angles, we can get this larger angle. So knowing that, let's check out a couple examples of how to use the angle addition postulate to solve problems. Let's check out this example. Let's say we're told that the measure of angle ABC is 30 degrees and the measure of angle CBD is 45 degrees. Let's find the measure of angle ABD. So if we draw this out, the measure of angle ABC is 30 degrees. So ABC is this angle right here, 30 degrees. And we're told that the measure of angle CBD is 45 degrees. So CBD, this angle right here, is 45 degrees. And we want to find the measure of angle ABD. So this larger angle right here. How can we find that? Well, the angle addition postulate says we just need to add these two adjacent angles. So add the 30 degrees with the 45 degrees. So we would say the measure of angle ABD is equal to 30 degrees plus 45 degrees. So what is 30 plus 45? That's 75. So 75 degrees. So this larger angle right here is 75 degrees. And that makes sense because it's just the sum of these two adjacent angles. All right, let's try another example. Let's say we're told that the measure of angle ABD is 83 degrees. So ABD. So this large angle right here is 83 degrees. And let's say we're told that the measure of angle CBD is 23 degrees. So CBD, this smaller angle right here, is 23. We want to find the measure of angle ABC. So we want to find this other smaller angle right here. So how could we do that? Well, since we know that these two smaller angles must add up to the larger angle, we can just say the larger angle minus one of these smaller angles that we know must be equal to the missing smaller angle. So what we can say is the measure of angle ABC must be equal to 83 degrees, so the larger angle, minus this 23 degrees. What is 83 minus 23? That's 60. So the measure of angle ABC is 60 degrees. So we can write that right here, 60 degrees. And a way to double check ourselves is we just need to ask, do these two smaller angles add up to the larger angle? So 60 plus 23, that is equal to 83. So our answer must be correct. All right, let's try one more example. Let's say we're told that the measure of angle ABC is equal to this expression, 5x plus 3. So ABC is 5x plus 3. And let's say we're told the measure of angle CBD is equal to 3x minus 1. So CBD right here, this is 3x minus 1. How can we find the measure of angle ABD? So ABD is this larger angle. Well, according to the angle addition postulate, we just need to add these two adjacent angles together to get this larger angle. So we'll say the measure of angle ABD must be the sum of these two expressions. So 5x plus 3 plus 3x minus 1. So if we combine like terms, we get 5x plus 3x, that's 8x. And then we get 3 plus a negative 1, so that's the same as 3 minus 1, which is 2. So we would say the measure of angle ABD is 8x plus 2.